back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a little would you rather kind of game. I posted on my Instagram stories a little bit ago and I'm going to see what everybody chose for me. So I gave some options and we're going to see what they would rather do for their makeup. So let me pull up the first one. Okay, so the first one is, would you rather wear a smooth primer or a hydrating primer? 75% said hydrating primer. And it also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because then you can participate in stuff like this. So we're gonna do a hydrating primer today. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna take the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This one has been really, really awesome for me. I have been loving it. So I'm gonna take that just on my hand. Next, would you rather have an Instagram brow or a natural brow? 32% said Instagram, 68% said natural. I have my brow pencil. This is the Morphe Latte brow pencil. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quickly with these. I'm just lightly filling them in because this is a natural brow. If I was gonna do an Instagram brow, I probably would have used like a dip brow or something like that. So these are my brows. They turned out much larger than anticipated. I'm gonna actually prime my eyes really quickly. This is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow base. I've never used this. My mom gave it to me and I'm gonna see how I like it. Okay. So I do feel like that base is a little dark for me, but we're gonna make it work. So I asked on Instagram, would you rather wear a colorful eyeshadow or a neutral eyeshadow? This one was pretty close, but neutral eyeshadow won by 55%. So we're gonna do a neutral eye today. I'll use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette. And I'm just gonna dip into some of the more neutral shades like this one, these guys right here. I'm dipping into Kumquat, which is a little more orangey. And then into Stroke. I'm literally using the same brush for everything. This is the M433 from, or M441 from Morphe, sorry. Cute. And then I'll go into a little bit of drizzle too. This is the 514 from Morphe. Okay, so we've got our cute little neutral shadow moment. Nothing super creative, very neutral, just what you guys asked for. I'm gonna do Filthy Rich on the lid. That's the kind of, oh, not that one. This one? Yes, this one. This is like a glittery gold shade. Still keeping things neutral, don't you worry. I'm just kind of pressing it on my lid with my finger. And that's it for the eyes. Now, would you rather wear liner or no liner? This one says liner, so I'm gonna do a little bit of liner. This is the Morphe Ink Felt Tip Liner. I'm just gonna do a little. Okay, when I said a little bit of liner, I meant the world's thickest liner. Whatever, yellow. Yeah, definitely the world's like thickest, flattest liner. These are kind of interesting wings, but we're just gonna go with it because that's what we're doing today. Next, would you rather wear lashes or only mascara? Lashes won at 60%. So I am gonna put on a coat of mascara before I do anything. I think it's funny y'all pick a neutral eye, but then you want me to do this big ass wing. But for lashes, I'm gonna use the Morphe Eyetraction lashes. So fun story, last night I went out to celebrate my coworker because she just got promoted. So yay for her, shout out to Shay, she's watching. And my car battery decided to, like, drove home from work fine, no issues. Get home, get ready to go out, I'm all dressed and ready to party. And my car battery just crapped out completely. Like, tried to start my car and it was like, no bitch, you're not going anywhere. So luckily I have amazing friends and they came to pick me up. Then I got home at like 11 and we had to run to Walmart and get a new car battery at 11 o'clock at night. So that was a fun adventure. So I don't know why I felt the need to tell that story in this video, but that's kind of where I'm at in life. So hopefully, you know, today and tomorrow will be a better day. But based on this thick ass wing, I mean, who knows? Who knows? I love these lashes. They're my favorite Morphe Premium lashes. I like Total Babe too, but that's not the vibe today. We're done with the eyes. Now we can move on. Would you rather wear a matte foundation or dewy foundation? Matte foundation actually won by 58%. I was kind of surprised. I thought people were gonna pick dewy, but thank God they didn't, because your girl is oily. So I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. This one has been a ride or die for me lately. So I'm just gonna go in with that on a sponge. This is the e.l.f. sponge. It's one of my favorite sponges ever. Probably my favorite sponge ever. I'm just gonna kind of press that into the skin. I love this because it's full coverage, it's long wearing, it's really pretty. It lasts. Yesterday I wore this to work. I did it at 9 o'clock in the morning and it still looked good when I went out, and came home at 11 and it still looked good. So there's my foundation. Let's see. Would you rather wear a lighter concealer or match your skin tone? Lighter won by 65%, so lighter it is. I'm gonna do the Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer. This is the shade C4. This is lighter than my skin tone, obviously. So I'm gonna do the majority of my concealer with this one, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of the white concealer from Morphe, and I'm just gonna brighten like the inner part, and then same deal with the sponge. See how bright that makes my under eye? Dang. I kind of like bring it up just on the side of my nose a little too. Just for like a little snatch. So that is the skin. Let's see. Would you rather wear loose powder or pressed powder? Loose powder won by 68%. So that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star Rose Powder, and I'm gonna use my saving sponge and just press it in. I'm gonna use a lot to brighten. Since you guys want this bright ass under eye, so I always set wherever I put the concealer with the rose powder because it's a little bit more brightening. And then I go in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder because that one I feel like really makes my makeup last. So I'm gonna, oh, I'm scraping the barrel here. This is like the end of this powder. And then I just kind of pat this everywhere else. This I don't like on my under eyes because I feel like it darkens them, but it's so smoothing and so beautiful for the full face. Let's see, would you rather wear a warm bronzer or cool toned bronzer? Warm bronzer won by 59%. So I'm gonna go with the Morphe Icon Bronzer. This one's really, really beautiful. It's actually my favorite of the moment. It's so good, I've used a ton of it. I hope these come back. I want them to so bad. I'm gonna use that on my little Jaclyn Hill JH02. I'm gonna bronze up around the perimeters of my face so I look less dead. And this really brings the dimension back into your face because you have these super bright under eyes, you have this super bright, well, you have my natural skin tone foundation, which is, you know, white. This just brings all the color back. Okay, so I don't know where that stopped, but I'm applying lower mascara. So I'm gonna spray myself with setting spray. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Ofra Everglow. This is definitely a blinding highlight. Pop it right here. Little on the nose, not a lot, because I'm oily. Tiny bit on the chin, tiny bit above the brow. And then we're gonna take it a little bit right in the inner corner, right on the brow bone. And then the last thing is, would you rather wear a nude lip or a bold lip? Nude lip won by 71%. Kiss lipstick from Anastasia. Yes. And I'll put a little bit of Fairy Floss from Colourpop on top. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed choosing my makeup. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at Kayleecarmel on Instagram. I do stuff like this all the time, hopefully even more in the future. I really had a good time doing this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of it. If you thought this video was fun, if you want me to do videos like this more often, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm happy to chat with you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.